If you have been waiting months or even more than a year for a US visa interview, there may soon be a way to get a faster slot. But it comes at a price. Starting 1st July, the US State Department will launch a pilot program allowing B1 and B2 visa applicants to pay an extra $750 or roughly 64,000 rupees for an expedited interview appointment. In return, eligible applicants can get an interview within 10 business days. But here is the catch. This does not guarantee a visa, it only gets you a faster interview. Applicants will still go through the same checks, interview process, security vetting, and administrative reviews as everyone else. The program will run from 1st July to 31st December 2026. It applies only to B1 and B2 non-immigrant visas, usually used for tourism, business travel, family visits, and short-term trips. The $750 will be charged on top of the standard $185 non-immigrant visa fee. That takes the total cost to $935 or around 80,000 rupees. The fast-track option will be available only at selected US embassies and consulates, which the State Department will announce later. So why is the US doing this? Visa backlogs remain a problem. While the median global wait time for a non-immigrant visa appointment is about 30 days, some locations still face waits of more than a year. The US is also preparing for a surge in international visitors ahead of the 2026 FIFA World Cup and the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. For Indian travelers, this could be especially relevant. Demand for US visas remains high, and long waits continue to affect people traveling for business meetings, family commitments, conferences, holidays, and other short-term visits. However, expedited slots will be capped. The State Department says the program will not meaningfully increase wait times for regular applicants. Humanitarian cases and urgent national interest appointments will also continue to be handled separately at no extra cost. So the choice is simple: pay more and get a faster interview. But remember, the final visa decision remains exactly the same. Follow Business Standard for more such explainers.